Hello everyone, welcome to bmodel.com. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a corner mullion and how to update them. So you know that when you are taking a curtain wall family and if you are drawing that as a wall, and you'll be able to draw like this, and this is not a storefront. You may not have all the mullions. You have to go to the mullion option and go to select all grids and lines for this. When you do that, you can see the corner. There are two mullions available at the corner that we don't want it. So we would like to have a different mullion. So select the mullion that you wanted to change. And when you go and see the drop down, you will be able to change the mullion that you would like to do it by default in the family. If you need a different mullion, I will be creating another tutorial tomorrow about the mullion family creation, and I'll be able to add that as a separate video tutorial. For now, there are in the default template family, you can see that you will be able to add a L-shaped mullion. What happens here is that when you change one mullion, rectangle mullion, to the L shape, the other mullion also need to delete it so that it can join with the other mullion. So it will ask you to delete it, and you'll have your mullion created. So this is how the other four types are created, and same way you will be able to select and change that to a different mullion. So I hope this tutorial helped you, and you learned something on this tutorial. Do stay tuned. Tomorrow I'm going to create a mullion family, and I'm going to add that into the mullion curtain wall, and we'll be discussing that as a long tutorial. And do let me know if you have any questions related to this curtain wall and mullions and grids in the comment section of this video, so that I can address it tomorrow with your name on it. So do let me know in the comment section, and subscribe and share it with your learning friends. Thank you so much. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.